That sun is right in the face. That is unfortunate. I was about to do a pull here for you boys. I'll still do one. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah. Morning, boys. Morning. That a Tomei dog? Like guys, it just happens on accident. Like you just like kind of like leak into boost a bit, and then it's just like, you know, I'm already here, you know, why not just put your foot down, right? Like we're here. We got the front bumper on. And I think that I'm gonna take off this crash bar. I think that I'm gonna take it off because when I put on that open mouth grill, it's gonna show that red bar through it, and it's just gonna look pretty stupid. So even though I don't even know if it's really illegal or not, since I'm not really having a crash bar, but I'm gonna have my friend, my buddy Nori, help me out and build one when I get my front mount intercooler. But for now, we're just gonna leave that, and we're just gonna take it out. Alright guys, so this is where we're at. We got the stock grill off. We got the front bumper here. It is looking pretty toothless, not gonna lie. And then we got the grill here. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta line this up, line up the back portion, and then see if you can drill, it's already got pre-done holes, but if you can try and screw in the screws that they actually provided, and washers, which is really nice. I'm also going to be using wire cutters, since this is kind of like a wire material. So obviously, as you can see, this is where we ended up. I did the best I could with trimming around. I ended up using like some really big heavy duty like scissors almost, it seemed like, instead of the wire cutters, because with the wire cutters it kind of bent once you started getting into a lot of the material. I don't know. There probably is a better way of cutting it, but ultimately we did the best we could. Guys, so that's gonna wrap up our video for today. If you guys, I'm honestly pretty happy with how it turned out. Honestly, the fitment is pretty good, like all up around here, and honestly it took a while. It took around like 4 or 5 hours, so, and some help from my family, so definitely like take that into account. But if you did like the video, please browse the channel and subscribe. But I do have one thing to show you guys, so here, come.
Walking hand in hand, the night was so exciting, the smile was so inviting, then you touched my cheek.